Hello and welcome back to Talentless Creations. My name is Joe. Last night I worked, I want to say about 6 hours on this project. Didn't get a whole lot done because I was mostly messing with the lighting and trying to make it look good. I still honestly haven't gotten to the fact that we're getting close to getting it looking good here. Um, but what I'll show you is kind of what I've worked on at this point. If I hit play here. Um, we, the light follows the character, and then if I touch this red block 5 times, then the light will go out. The fourth time, it's the only time you can actually notice the light going out, and then the fifth time it goes out entirely. Um, that's the problem I'm having here is because I'm hoping to have no HUD or a very minimal HUD in this game, and I want you to uh, I want the player to see that they're getting hurt by the amount of light that's in the scene. Um, it was a pretty simple script. Uh, Let me pull it up here. It was in the third person blueprint. I added a health float, and I linked the damage to this subtraction node, and then I added the health here, and the return value sets the health. Um, so anytime this actor receives damage, it's going to set the health based off of that. So that was pretty easy to do. Um, the second part here is with the lantern itself. Um, I set up this event tick, so every time there's a tick, um, it's going to reach out to the blueprint for the third person character and get the health float. And that health float is going to set the intensity of the lantern light. What I'm probably going to add here and to, test around is change the range of the light and also the intensity, and see if I can figure out a way to make it more noticeable. But it's really um, it's really easy to change the intensity now. All I need to do is just change this health here. The default value is at 100. If I change it somewhere to like 30 or 20 here, it will change the it'll change the health to 20 for the character, and then it'll only take one hit for the red block. To make the red block, I did uh, I created this block blueprint, named it damage block, and then I created a collision, a box collision around this block here. I had to extend it, but once I created that box collision, I went down here to on collision being overlapped, and it added this event into the event graph. And then I just kind of do the same thing here. I said that whenever the player um, oh, whenever the player uh, touches this actor, it's going to apply damage, and then the base damage is 20 at this point. Um, so that's pretty much all I got done last night. Uh, I'm still trying to figure out how this is going to work because the lantern light doesn't seem to be working out very well because not only do you not notice a difference, I can't see very far ahead of me, which is going to be a problem. I've watched some lighting tutorials at this point, and I'm thinking that I'll have to combine like a point light with a spotlight or something of that sort to get the effect I'm looking for. Or maybe I'll have emissive color there. But that's pretty much all for now. I did use a tutorial to make that health system. It wasn't exactly what I did. Wasn't I didn't follow it exactly. It went into creating a web or a UI, so you can see the health bar and things of that sort. So it was pretty good for that. Um, and so I'll be linking that down in the description as well as the basic lighting tutorial I was watching, because that's probably what I'll be working on tonight. Um, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and um, please comment if you have any questions about this, or if you want to talk about a project you're working on, and have a great rest of your night. Thank you. Bye.